Hello my darlings, welcome back to the channel. I'm a bit confused today. I'm actually thinking about, is our 3-step daily routine giving glass skin or is just existing? Okay, let's be real for a second. We all bought the serum, we're doing double cleansing, and we definitely try all that 10-step Korean skincare routine. But let's be honest, is your skin actually glowing or is just okay? But if a glow is lagging, do we actually need a new 10-step routine or just a little reset? Sometimes daily maintenance isn't enough to get that translucent glass skin. Your skin gets bored or dead cells build up faster than your daily wash can handle. That's when you need a reset. So today I'm testing out the Swiss Beauty Korean Glow Facial Set to see if 6 steps targeted treatment can do what our daily routine can. Let's see if we can find that glow. This kit is super affordable and packed with heavy hitters like Kakadu Plum for vitamin C, rice water, niacinamide and koji acid, and it's actually cruelty free and paraben free. So let's see if we can find that glow from within in just one session. Let's dive in. What we actually get here is this 6 packs to guide you through the glass skin. Step 1, Glow Cleanser. We're starting fresh with the Glow Cleanser. This isn't your basic face wash. It's super gentle and designed to prep your canvas without stripping your moisture. Just gently massage about 2-3 minutes and then rinse thoroughly with the water. Step 2, Glow Tan Remover Face Pack. If you've been out in the sun or your skin just look a bit grey and dull, it helps even out skin tone right from the start. Coat a thin layer of a mask on your face, leave it on and let it dry, then rinse thoroughly with the lukewarm water. Step 3, Face Scrub. Now we're buffing away the bed whites with a face scrub. Gently massage the scrub onto your light damp face in upward motion about 5 minutes and rinse with the water and pat it dry. It uses rice water properties to plump while it exfoliates. Don't be aggressive, just the light circular motions to get rid of dead skin cells so the next steps can actually sink in. Step 4, Glow Massage Cream. This is what activates the glow by boosting your circulation. Your face should feel warm and super bouncy after this. Gently massage the cream, let it sink into your skin, and it doesn't need to be rinsed, so let it sink in. This koji acid and alpha-arbutin blends is what activates the glow. Step 5, Hydra Boosting Pack. This is the win for your skin moment. It's thick, it's cooling, it lends calming sensation and evens out everything. Coat a generous amount of hydrating pack and leave it on for about 10 minutes. Then remove with the cotton pads. It's the chill step before the final. Step 6, Glow Sunscreen. We're sealing all the goodness in with this sunscreen. Use the 2 fingers worth of the sunscreen on your face 15 minutes before stepping out into the sun. It's lightweight, non-greasy sunscreen. It protects all the brightening bugs we just did from the sun. Okay, can we talk about the reflection? Look at the glow on my cheekbones. It's the glow without going anywhere. You can have this glow without going outside. Right at home, it's just amazing. Daily care keeps your skin healthy, but a 6-step kit like this is what gives you the result. Whether you're prepping for events, doing a weekend self-care ritual, or just want to upgrade your skincare game without spending much, this kit is generally for everyone. It's compact, travel-friendly and formulated in Korea, so you know the K-beauty expertise is real. So if you've been waiting for a sign to try Korean skincare, this is what you need. It's only at $249 and you can use coupon code to save 25% off on Swiss Beauty's official website on order above $499 using my coupon code Chennai25, and links is below this video. And if you don't want to miss out on my new YouTube videos, just hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like and put your comments down below. I will see you in next one.